here.
Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes.
Oh!
1, 2,
Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more.
5, 6.
Nike kicks.
Oh,
That is so fire! What are you watching? What are you guys watching? Oh, shh! You'll see. Shush.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6.
Nike.
that is so fire.
That is so fire! No. That is not so fire. No. We're turning this off right now. Hold on a second. Wait, no, don't turn it off. What are you doing? No. That was not fire. That was stupid. Why are you guys watching this? Because it's cool. It's cool. No. That is not cool. I am cool. No, you're not. Yes, I am. I'm very cool. I'll show you how cool I am. Okay, show us how cool you are. You take us to the store so we can go get some of these. Fine. I'll take you to the store. Will you shut up and stop playing all this nonsense and bother me when I'm trying to work? Yeah, sure. As long as you take us. Fine. Baby Peach, you want these stupid shoes too?
Yeah, I want them.
Fine. Okay, if you shut up, let's go. Come on. Okay, everybody, okay. Hold your horses. There's enough shoes for everybody. Shrek wants his shoes. Wario wants his shoes. Luigi wants his shoes. All right. Everybody's gonna get their shoes. So just calm down. Unless we sell out. No. Stop it, all of you. Stop it. Quick, get off my counter. Don't you come over my counter. There's enough shoes for everybody. Everybody's gotta wait their turn. Stop it. Quiet, everybody. What in the hell? Did you guys know it was gonna be this crazy over here?
Well, we told you they were cool. You didn't believe us.
Oh, of course I didn't. It was stupid. It's not cool. But you say it's cool nowadays to do this, to wear your shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's really cool. Oh, it is. Oh, okay then. Wait. I think somebody's getting the shoes, guys. Look over there. Oh, move out the way. All right, everybody, we have our first contestant with their brand new Nike kicks. Come on out. Oh, man, that bot was the best financial decision of my entire life. I bought 100 of these babies. Time to scalp these bitches and make millions of dollars. All right, that's nice. Oh, man, I'm so happy. I think I could sing a song. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, sweet Mary of God. Woo! Oh, man, that was so fiery. Move out the way. Oh, man, those are the shoes, aren't they? Oh, Baby Peach really wants those shoes.
Oh, yeah. How much did those cost?
Oh, they cost me about, $500.
Oh, that's it?
Well, what do you mean that's it? Baby Peach, that's so much money.
No, it's not.
Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to be selling them for $1,000 each. Oh, man. So I have to pay $1,000 if I want to buy those from you then, yes? Yeah, that's right, Mario. If you don't want to win that big-ass line. Oh, no, I don't want to wait. Can you give the best friend discount? Mario, since when are we best friends? Oh, we're home dogs. Come on now. Give the top on the Mario. Come on now. No can do. It's $1,000 or you're going to win that line. And you might be waiting there all day. You might even be waiting there for 3 days, Mario. Maybe even a week. Oh, no. We'll just see about that then. I'm not paying that price. Okay. Hit me up if you want them, though, Mario. If they still have them. Oh, my God. That's too much money. He's crazy. Okay, we're just going to have to wait. Yes, we're going to have to wait. Hey everybody! There's a new short with Mr. Beast and the guy from the TikTok buckle shoe guy. We all need to go. we all need to go watch the new Mr. Beast and 1-2 Buckle My Shoe TikTok/YouTube short. It's gonna be big. Come on, everybody. What are you doing? Let's go watch it. Let's go watch it. Go.
Bro, come over here. Come over here. Check out my new shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Brand new.
1, 2,
Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Wah, wah, wah.
5, 6,
Nike kicks.
Ooh, that is so fire.
That is so fire. Yeah, that's so fire.
Come over here. I'm with Mr. Beast. And we got
Oh, Mr. Beast.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4.
Buckle some
More.
5, 6.
Nike kicks. It's Nike kicks. He said Mr. Beast.
fire.
That's fire, though. That's fire. Yeah. All right. Shut up. We're watching this one.
And we got the brand new.
1, 2,
Buckle my shoe.
3, 4.
Buckle some more. 5, 6.
Mr. Beast.
Kicks. Oh, it's so fire. Ah, wow. All right, Shrek and Waluigi, enjoy your new shoes. Wow, Waluigi, #1 knows how this goes. Wah, 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 buckle my shoe. Wah, 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 some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Wow, that was fire! Wow. Again! Wow, 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 wow. All right, Baby Peach is next. Oh, thank God, we finally made it to the front of the line. Oh, okay, we're here, we're ready to buy our shoes. Oh, okay. But is your name Baby Peach Mario? I don't think it is. Oh, no, but she's right here. See? Baby Peach is right here. Good Baby Peach. See? All right. Can I buy my shoes? No, of course you can't buy your shoes, Mario. And how do I know that's Baby Peach? There can be so many different Baby Peaches. Are you serious, Squidward? Are you kidding me? Are you crazy? No. I'm gonna have to kick you out of here, Mario, if you keep this up. Go to the back of the line. Oh, are you crazy? I'm gonna leave you a 1 star on Yelp. You're nuts. All right, bye, Karen. See you later. Oh, screw this. All right, fine. I'll go to the back of the line, you idiot. No, you're the idiot, Mario. As I was saying, Baby Peach, please, next. Wow! Oh, is your name Baby Peach, sir? Wow! Wario's name is Baby Peach. Hey, didn't you just say your name's Wario? Wow! No, Wario's name is Baby Peach. Well, come a little closer. Yeah, you kind of look like a Baby Peach. Okay. Here's your shoes, sir. Wow! Wario shoes! Yes, Wario #1! Wow! Wah, wah, Wario, wah, 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 Wario, wah, wah, Wario, wah, wah.
Hey, those are my shoes.
Wah, wah, Wario, see, cry, baby, not your shoes. Wah,
They were my name. You are not Baby Peach.
Wario shoes. Let Wario show you. Wah, wah, Wario, wah, wah, Wario, wah,
I know how
wah,
this part goes.
Wario!
Serves you right.
Holy shit! Oh, man, I don't want to get on her bad side. All right, you're Baby Peach?
Yes.
All right, well, hold on a second. Wah! No, Wario shoes! No, Wario! Wario shoes! No, Wah! And God riddance, you piece of trash! Wah! All right, next. Finally! I made it! Finally! All right, I'm ready for our shoes! What do you mean, our shoes? There's only 1 pair left. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? No. Let us see. No. I'm the adult. I'm I'm the adult, so I deserve it. I'm sorry, kids, you can't have it.
No.
Nope. I'm the adult. I'm going to be paying for it. It's my shoes. All right. I want the shoes. All right. How are you going to be paying this? Oh, with this bad boy. My credit card. Ha ha ha! Big money Mario, huh? Got big britches, big money in his pants. That's right, I got the big money. Big money. That's right. All right, here you go. Let me get these off the wall. It's our last pair, and they were used a little bit. Oh, no. You got to give me discount for that. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I mean, I could charge you double if you want. No, that's fine. It's good. Just get them for me. All right. There's a one little shoesy and two little shoesy for you. You dropped it on the ground. I'm going to get a 10% discount at least. No, you're going to take those and you're going to be happy, Mario. Fine. Okay, everybody. Let's go home. I got my new shoes. Mario's cool, finally. Mario is cool. Yes, let's go. Thank you, Squidward. My desk. What did you do that for? Oh, thank you. I'm so happy I could kiss you. Let's go home now. I gotta clean this up too. I hate this job. Oh man, I can't believe we didn't get our shoes. That's so stupid.
Well, I did.
What?
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. It's so sad you guys didn't get any shoes.
Oh, that's so stupid. You know what, baby Luigi? I know exactly what to do. Come on. Oh man, Mario's so excited. I'm finally cool. Oh yes, Mario, you are the coolest guy in the whole world now with these shoes. All right, let me give this a go. Let's go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Walmart kicks. Oh man. Oh wait, was that how that goes? Let me try it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike Mario kicks. Oh yes, that was so fire. That was big, very big fire that Mario just spit out of his mouth. Wait, I must be missing something here. My credit card! Where did you just... It was just right here! Oh no, I got to go find my credit card! Please, come on, let us buy some of your shoes, please! Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, can you read this sign? Let's take a look over here. You see this sign? It says, sold out. So we're all sold out. Come on, you gotta have something in the back. No, we sure don't. But don't worry, we might be getting a couple more in next month.
Not next month.
No! Alright, there's gotta be something we can do now. We gotta get these shoes now. Well, I may know a little shoey plug you guys can talk to. Oh, yeah, show us! Where is he? We want to talk to him. Oh, he's outside next to that tree. Oh, okay, thank you so much! Thank you, come on, baby Luigi, let's go! Oh my god, they're about to pay out the ass for those shoes. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. That was pretty fire. Oh, can we buy some of the shoes, please? I don't know. They're probably a little too big for you guys. Oh, it doesn't matter. We'll take any size, please. Please, we just need the shoes, please. Oh, okay. But they're a lot of money. I can't give them to you for free. I'm thinking, how about $1,000 each? Oh, $1,000. Baby Luigi, do you have the money?
Yeah, let me go get it.
We got a card, don't worry, we got our card! Oh! Why didn't you say so? Yeah, you can have anything! Any of those you want, okay. Here you go, let me get that. Oh, I'm gonna run that real quick. Oh, yeah! There's your card back. All right, and me get my shoes on. Oh man, these are so fire. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, baby Luigi, get yours on. Come on. I don't think that's the way you put those on, baby Luigi.
That's close enough.
Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Okay, let's go show baby Peach. Come on. Yeah.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. Whoa, where did you guys get those shoes?
Oh, we got them from Toad.
How did you pay for them?
Well, we stole Mario's credit card and paid for him with that.
Oh, cool. Do you want to do the dance again?
Yeah, let's do it! 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. That was so fire! Okay, guys. Excuse me. I kind of forgot to do how to do the dance and the words and everything. Can you show me, please?
Well, why don't we just watch it again?
Oh, okay, yeah, we can go watch the video. Great idea, baby Peach. Let's go, everybody.
Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're
Woo.
brand new.
1,
2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Ooh, that is so fire.
That is so fire.
Come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, I think I'm getting it. 3, 4, buckle some more. Okay, 5, 6, Nike kicks, not Walmart, Nike.
That is so fire.
That is so fire, y'all. So fire, guys. All right, everybody. I think I finally got it now. Is everybody ready? Yeah. Okie dokie. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh man, that was really fire, you guys. Wasn't it? Very fire. Oh man. Oh, baby Mario. Huh? Where did you get your shoes from? Why don't you tell them, baby Luigi?
Well, we got them from Toad.
Oh, you got them from Toad, that asshole? Oh, I'm glad he is much more generous to you. That shitbag wouldn't do anything to me. He was such a jerk. Oh, yeah. He is way nicer. Super generous. I'm glad. Okay, well, I got to figure out who is spending all this money on my credit card. I can't find it anywhere. So I'll be right back, guys. Oh, yeah, you go do that. The credit card that we used to buy these shoes with. Oh, yes, that very one, baby Mario. I'm glad you know. Wait.